Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic reels on mobile using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application, and first of all we can create new project, but for me I'm just going to open up the project I have just created. For example, I'm going to create cinematic reels using this video. And for Instagram Reels, we need to choose the perfect aspect ratio. Go to the aspect ratio and then you can choose this ratio 9:16. Okay, and then I'm going to make it more cinematic by applying color grade. So I'm just going to go to the adjust, and then here we can play around with the brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, and so on. And start with the brightness. I'm going to reduce the brightness just a little bit, make it -6. And for the contrast, I'm going to increase it +5. And for the saturation, increase it a little bit. I'm going to make it 7. And for the brilliance, make it +9. And for the sharpen, I'm going to make it 25. And for the clarity, make it 19. And then I'm going to move to the highlights. I'm just going to increase it a little bit. And for the shadow as well. And for the whites, I'm going to make it -9. And for the black, I'm going to make it +6. +5. Okay, and for the temperature, I'm going to reduce it. Okay, and I think it's done. Okay, for the hue, I'm going to increase it just a little bit. All right, and now it's done. Okay, wait, I think I need to do something with the brightness. Let me reduce it to make it more cinematic. Okay, but for the color grading guys, I think it depends on the video, so I think you cannot really follow my color grading, but tips from me, you can play around with the adjustment. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to apply custom speed. So I'm going to go to the speed. Where is it? Okay, sorry, it's right here. And I'm going to select curve, select custom, edit, and then I'm going to make it like this. You can follow my curve. Okay. Okay, and wait. All right, and make it like this. And you can apply smooth slow motion. I'm going to choose faster process and click on the check mark and hold on. Okay, smooth slow motion has been applied, and let's play the video. Okay, and to make it more captivating, I recommend you to add music. And once you're ready to upload it, just click on export, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic reels on mobile with CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.